Have you been scrolling here on TikTok and you keep coming across all these people talking about affiliate marketing, and maybe you're starting to hear freelance digital marketing and you're like, what is this? How do I do it? How do I get started? First of all, I want to let you know it is a wonderful thing to do because you can actually earn an additional income without going out and getting a physical job, a job that you have to leave your family, leave your house to go make extra money. Now, there is a learning curve because if you're new, you're going to have to learn the skill to do that. It's kind of like going to college. But once you learn the skill and you start applying it and master it, get really good at it, you're going to start earning money. Now, there is a bunch of areas that you can go into because the top 3 areas specifically are health, wealth, and relationships. Now, here's mine. I love the wealth niche. You probably have heard of Make Money Online. I love that because it's actual. There's a course that you can actually take that teaches you how to be a digital marketer, an affiliate marketer. And that course is going to give you all the knowledge you need to master that skill. And once you master that skill, if then at that point you want to go into something like relationships or health or fitness, you can do that because you're going to have the basic knowledge of how to be an affiliate marketer. If you would like more information, save this video for later. If I can spit that out, save this for later. And guys, if you're looking for a course to take, I have a course for you. If you grab it now, you're going to get an amazing deal because as of January 1st, the price will go up. And if you want to grab it, it's all you got to do is go right there.